Good afternoon, I'm Mr. Palmer. Let's look at the inspection of the subframe on your vehicle today here at Mercedes-Benz of Maidstone. Also carried out a complimentary visual health check in the vehicle using our traffic light system. Red items require attention, amber items require monitoring, green items are good. Firstly, the passenger side front tyre is at 5.46mm on the inner edge, 5.73mm in the middle, 5.27mm on the outer edge. There's no major cuts or damage to the tyre, so good green condition. And inside the front of the vehicle, there's nothing major to report regarding the suspension and drivetrain components, and they're all in good green condition. The driver's side front tyre measures 5.61mm on the inner edge, 5.95mm in the middle, 5.43mm on the outer edge. There's no major cuts or damage to the tyre, it's in a good green condition. The front brake disc pads, the brake discs have measured at 29.5. You see there's a lip starting to show on the faces as well. At 29.5 it is worn below the minimum recommended thickness of 30mm. The brake pads are fairly new, but they're at 10mm, which is approximately 10 to 15% worn. Again, there's an amber item. Advised to monitor the front brake discs. I would advise on replacement. Again, the brake pads have been replaced fairly recently, so advised to monitor. You can see on the tyre chart here, so the front tyre has been around 5mm. You can see approximately 47% worn, they're in the green area of the health check system. On the outside of the rear of the vehicle, there's nothing major to report regarding the suspension and drivetrain components. And they're all in good green condition, apart from the subframe, which on the passenger side, you can see there is a hole of corrosion right next to the suspension mounting component just here. So it does require replacement of the rear subframe. The passenger side rear tyre, you've got 4.24mm on the inner edge, 3.57mm in the middle, 4.86mm on the outer edge. There's no major cuts or damage to the tyre. It also has amber on the health check system. I'll show the tyre chart again in a moment. Driver's side rear tyre measures 4.14mm on the inner edge, 3.43mm in the middle, 4.8mm on the outer edge. No major cuts or damage to the tyre, but again it will show amber on the health check system. The rear brake disc and pads, the brake pads at the rear I've measured at 7mm, which is approximately 40% worn. I have measured the brake disc at 8.1. The minimum recommended thickness is 8.3. So again, the discs are worn below that minimum recommended thickness. Again, it's just an advisory there to have those replaced or to monitor. It's in the tyre chart here again. So the rear tyre has been around 3 to 4mm. So they're in the amber area of the health check system at 3mm. They're 78% worn. The legal limit is 1.6. Again, just advised to monitor the rear tyres. That concludes the video. Thanks for watching. The service advisor will be in contact with you shortly. Thank you for using Mercedes-Benz Maidstone. Goodbye.